PCS-350III Air Duct Cleaning Robot Operation Instruction. Install the control cable to the control box and cleaning robot. Install the power cord. Install the brush. Install the vacuum hose. Connect the vacuum cleaner. Insert the power cord into the power outlet. Turn on the power supply with the lock switch. Time set. Turn on the vacuum cleaner. Control the robot movement through the joystick. Press the cleaning switch to start the cleaning work. Adjust the cleaning height.